Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.